go through. But the other thing is, how relevant are you to the industry is very, very important. And I think we have already provided those frameworks for us to do. But the colleges also have to come forward to get that done.
How do you say the Indian company scenario in terms of research and development, genuine research?
Research and development definitely will be very high in a software development company. In a IT services company, we do a lot of, I won't call it research and development, we are saying building assets and solutions. Building assets and solutions is building intellectual property. So that we do, otherwise we will not even survive. There is nothing repeatable in IT services.
Actually, the problem is that
I don't know if anybody else wants to have a...
This last question.
Hey Mahindra, and I would like to know what was the basic punchline you followed to reach this particular phase. And a very direct question for us is that how many persons you are recruiting this year in Mahindra Satyam?
Going slow till March. Once we close our books and once we settle down, we will be taking a decision in March, almost first week of March we'll take a decision, and from April onwards we will start. But if I have to take a step back, in a year we almost hired 10,000-15,000 engineers. That's what we have been doing in previous years, but this year we have gone slow because of recession and various other issues. So I think we have this very much in the radar. We wanted to make sure that we are taking the right decision. So our financial year is ending by end of March. So by somewhere in February we'll initiate, and first week of March we'll take it.
At last, you just tell us the basic punchline you followed while reaching this particular position. That's fine.
Who, me? I would say that I have been very innovative in whatever I did. I used to tell my team, is this your best shot? What is the wow factor? For instance, I think all of us sitting in this room, when you wanted to give a birthday present to somebody, I know what and all you do with that. You really want to impress that person. You package it so well. Why is that we don't do this in our studies and when we work? Why are you not doing something and do your best shot and then say, this is the best I can think, and then deliver it? And surprise the people and let them expect the unexpected. Not in a negative, positive way. Oops, wow. They should say that. So while you are trying to do that, you have to work hard, you have to run around, you have to think beyond, outside the box. All that are packages. But this is the package that you want to ultimately aim and say, can I give my best shot and can I bring a wow factor? I said it in a very simple, I don't want to use management jargons. Thank you so much, and for me it is very refreshing. I mean, like I used to tell Dr. Chaudhary also, we are always stuck up in emails and we walk around with these toys. I have some toys with me, cell phone, mobile, laptops, and we are always walking around either addressing emails or SMS or phone calls and looking at reports and getting into conference calls. It is so boring at one point of time. When I come to colleges like this, I see bright faces and amazing, very simple questions, very profound questions that comes out. It energizes us also to think that way. So thank you so much for giving that opportunity, and thanks to Dr. Chaudhary and Vinita for
I just want to